Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to source for helpful tutorials and tips. Today I'll guide you through the process of logging into Uber Eats Menu Maker. If you are a restaurant owner or manager using Uber Eats to create and manage your menu, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. To access Uber Eats Menu Maker, open your preferred web browser. You can use Chrome, Firefox, Safari or any other browser you want. In the address bar, type menumaker.ubereats.com and press enter. You will arrive at the Uber Eats Menu Maker login page. Here you will need to input your email address and password associated with the Uber Eats Menu Maker account. Put your email address in the provided field, then type in your password. Make sure both are entered accurately to avoid login issues. After entering your login information, click on Login button or Continue below. This will initiate the login process and grant you access to Uber Eats Menu Maker. If you encounter any issues logging in, you can click on Forget Password. Follow the instructions provided to regain access. Once logged in, you will be directed to Uber Eats Menu Maker dashboard. Here you can create and customize your restaurant's menu, add new items, update prices, and more. That's it. You are now logged into Uber Eats Menu Maker. It's a powerful tool that helps you showcase your restaurant's offerings and attract more customers on Uber Eats. I hope this tutorial was helpful in guiding you through the Uber Eats Menu Maker login process. If you found it useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.